Hello, my name is Cody, and once again, I'm from Group Sales. And today, I'm going to show you about all of the Volcano cabanas. This is Volcano Lake Party, and this one holds up to 20 people. This is Real Party, and this one holds 20 people. This is our Real-Time cabanas, and this one holds 14 people. This is our Little Rio View. This one holds about 8 people. Lake Cabana, and this one holds 8 people. This cabana is Volcano Lake View, and this one holds up to 14 people. Thank you guys for joining me on this amazing tour. Make sure to buy your own cabana at wetwild.com.